Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about the cabbage. Number 1. Cabbage is a vegetable. Number 2. It is green in color. Number 3. Cabbage is low in calories. Number 4. Cabbage can be eaten raw or cooked. Number 5. It is a versatile ingredient in cooking. Number 6. It is used in many dishes. Number 7. It is a good source of antioxidants. Number 8. It is also a good source of dietary fiber. Number 9. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C and K. Number 10. Cabbage is beneficial for the health. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.